Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your host TheOfficialBeast here, and in this video I'll be telling you the parts and components you will be needing for a $750 budget gaming PC, the best $750 budget PC. So TheOfficialBeast showing you how to get the parts and components. I'll be helping you that. Stay tuned for more information. Alright, TheOfficialBeast here, guys. In this video showing you how to build a $750 budget gaming PC. So it's the parts and components I'll be telling you. I'll be talking about the product as well as the price as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First is first, let's get to the motherboard actually. So for a $750 budget motherboard, we got the Gigabyte GA-H97B3H feature packed at the budget price. That's Gigabyte's D3H line. This product provides 4 RAM slots, VGA, DVI and HDMI outputs for the CPU's built-in video, along with 6 USB ports, which are the 4 are used for the USB 3.0, and there are 4 PCIe slots as well, X16, 1 X4 and 2 X1 slots, and 3 Legacy PCI slots. It even has been upgraded AO115 sound codec. So the Gigabyte 9 series motherboards support the latest 4th and 5th generation Intel Core processors, bringing together a unique blend of features and technologies that offer the absolute ultimate platform for your next PC build. So this motherboard here is the Gigabyte. I already said that. It costs around, at the market right now is around $105. I'll put all the price and the buying links on the description, so make sure to check that place as well as the links. Alright, that's the motherboard. For number 2, we got the processor. For the processor, let's go with the Intel Core i5-14590. So Intel's mid-range quad-core chips have been the favorites of budget gamers for a long time. There's just no getting around the fact that for gaming, a Core i5-4590, even it looks locked speed of 3.3 GHz with a turbo to 3.7 GHz, typically beats AMD's bang for the buck champ, the 8-core processor FX8320, even at the 8320's maximum overclock of 4.5 GHz. This Intel Core i5-4990 processor supports up to 3.7 GHz and it has up to 6 MB cache. So this is the best processor I ever found on the research for the $750 under budget gaming PC. So if you guys willing to buy this, I'll put the link in the description for every product I say. So this product costs around $195 at the market right now. So the prices sometimes drops and sometimes increases, so it's just luck. So that's that. Number 3, let's go with the graphics card, which is also called the video card. For the video card, let's go with the Gigabyte Radeon R9 270X OC, which is a 2 GB of graphics card. The Radeon R9 270X has been selling for around $200 since its introduction a while ago, and just recently received a price cut, making it the go-to card for this build, replacing its slightly slower sibling, the R9 270. This Gigabyte model is one of the best cooled version available, which also been almost the quietest. Just as impressive, it is factory boost clock of 1100 MHz and 50 MHz over reference. So graphics card has a 3-fan cooling system and it requires over 500 W of power supply. And it also has 2 slots of HDMI slots, so if you guys have HDMI monitor you can easily plug into this. So yeah, that's the graphics card, guys. This graphics card probably would run any game at the market right now at least on a medium quality. That's the video card. It's the Radeon R9 270X 2GB of graphics card. This graphics card costs about $200 in the market right now. As I said, always it could drop, it could get up, down. You should check it. Yep. And the memory. Nah. It's just the crucial ballistic spot 4GB. Okay. With the doubling of RAM prices since the beginning of 2012, we don't think spending your money on an 8GB kit is a wise choice if you're on a strict budget. We found that 8GB didn't perform much better than 4GB in gaming. The only advantage of having over 4GB of RAM is the ability to leave a lot of applications open while gaming. So yeah, 8GB is not required, guys. 4GB is not enough for your budget PC. As I said before, 8GB is only like if you're, for example, you have Sony Vegas in the background and you're running a game. For that, it's good. 8GB is good. Anything would work. Actually, it's your choice. Actually, you can go for the 8GB if you want to, but the budget will become a little more expensive. So if you have the money in hand, I really recommend you to do it. Yeah, that's the memory card. It's a Crystal Ballistic Spot 4GB RAM. So let's go to the hard drive. Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB of hard drive. That's more than enough, guys. That's more than enough. We stick with the fantastic Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB hard drive this month. It simply has no equal due to its profound combination of speed, quiet operation, reliability, and low price. Of course, if you already know you need more than 1TB of storage, pick yours own 2TB of storage, which is optional actually. But the budget gaming PC is the parts I selected is the 1TB of hard drive. Okay, the hard drive cost around $50. Yeah. So guys, the last memory I talked to you guys, I forgot to say the price. Actually, the price is around $35 in the market right now, so go check that out. The link is in the description. Alright, the hard drive cost around $50, so yeah, that's okay. For the case, well, for the case, actually, if you guys are using a old PC, like, you can get that case if you want to, but for the case we will be going for the Roseville Challenger. This case costs under $50 actually. There are only a few that are worth of using a gaming system. One of the clear picks is a Roseville Challenger. It offers front and rear 120mm fans. The front one featuring blue LEDs and a 140mm top fan and toolless driver mounts. A great upgrade option is a Consul Graphic 230T, which adds USB 3.0 and a more modern space affecting internet layout. Yeah, that's the case, guys. Under $50, much better. It has a nice look with a blue LED light, so recommend it. I recommend it. For the power supply, we got the EVGA 500B. So the EVGA 500B is the least expensive high quality 500W power supply available, and it's the perfect match for this system with 400 amperes on the 12-volt rail and two PCIe 6 plus 2-pin power cables. It can support just about any video card, and it's backed up EVG's unrivaled service and a 3-year warranty, guys. So the the disk drive or the DVD drive is the optional, guys. For this build we are gonna go to the Samsung 24X DVD burner. If you're downloading all your games from source like Steam and Origin, you probably don't really need this, but it's worth it for just OS install and occasion software installation. So this cost around $20. It's worth the price, and the power supply last I talked is $50. So final product is the operation system, which is the Windows 8.1. Windows 8.1 is the latest by Microsoft. Definitely has a few rough edges, but it packs in plenty of stability and speeds and elements under the hood versus Windows 7. So this Windows 8.1 system cost about $90. So there is a way we can get that for free. If you guys would like to know that, please let me know in the comments below. I'll get to that as soon as possible. So that's the full parts and the full guide there. The total cost is around $771. So the total amount of the budget is $750, but come on guys, it's a $15 review. I'll be going to products soon. Once more, we got 9 products. For the processor is the Intel Core i5-4990, cost a $200 in the market. Motherboard is the Gigabyte GA-H3073H, $95. Video card Gigabyte Radeon R9 270X. Be sure to get the 270X because there is something called 270. Yeah, 270X OC 2 gigabytes, around $175. For the memory, Crucial Ballistic Sports 4GB RAM, $30. Hard drive, Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB, cost around $50. For the case, I said optional, your case, anything. But for the thing is the Roswell Challenger, around $50. For the power supply is a EVGA 500B. Cost. Make sure to get a more than 500W power supply because it's a needable for your graphics card. So this power supply costs around $50. So yeah, optical drive is a Samsung 24X DVD drive, costs around $20. For the final operating system is a Windows 8.1, $90 cost. So if you guys like to know what to get to the free 8.1 Windows 8, please let me know in the comments below. Yeah. So yeah guys, that is the build for a $750 budget gaming PC. Build it guys, it's sure worth the price. It could do the job for you. Any games on at least medium quality or some games on high quality as well, because it has a i5 processor and a best graphics card. So yeah guys, if you enjoy this parts and components or the build tutorial, please like this video. Also add your favorites as well. Anything questions, leave it on the comment sections below. That's why they keep the comment sections. So yeah guys, see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe as well for more video. Sometimes on the future I might bring a $1,000 gaming PC build or a $3,000 ultimate 4K resolution. Anything in the future, stay tuned. Official Beast signing out.